Hey everybody, it's Gary Evans. Remember, your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. We're here at our recently sold townhome in Sugar Land. Wonderful home, 2 bedrooms, right in the middle of everything Sugar Land and Houston has to offer. And I was just thinking, what a great first home this would be for someone. Well, we just received a special report, how to stop paying rent and own your own home. It's got everything that you need to know to go from being a renter, paying someone else's mortgage, to owning your own home. It's your walls, it's your home. It's a wonderful feeling. So reach out to us today, message me, give me a call, 832-721-0442. We'll get this report out to you, how to stop paying rent and own your own home. Do it today. It's easier than you think. So remember, it's Gary Evans, your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it.